Okay, very good morning to all of you. So, from the Marigold chapter, Marigold book, we were doing the chapter first day at school. Okay, yes, good morning to all of you. First day at school. So, open and we were doing the exercise part. Open page number 2 and from the, you can see reading is fun part. We have completed 3 of the question answers. I hope all of you have done this. Bithika, from our side, here it is no problem. It might be your internet connection problem because in my computer over here I can see myself clearly. So I think it is your problem. Okay, so I hope all of you have read the reading is fun part completed. Today I will discuss the let's talk part. Okay, let's talk part. You can see I will just discuss this because eventually you come to know that here the question answers are you can do this on your own because the answers will be on your own. Okay, so here this part, let's talk part. Okay, the first question, let's see what it is said. Do you remember your first day at school? How did you feel? Here you can see some of the expressions are angry, shy, happy, sad. Angry, shy, happy, sad. So amongst these faces, whatever you felt and whatever your face was, just tick those. Okay, Shuraya, you were happy, Shanaya happy, Shridatri happy. So tick that face, happy face. Yes, tick that happy face, and whoever has felt the feeling, they can tick the face. So, Bithika, you felt sad. Okay, so mark the sad face. So this is how the answers will be according to you, right? Okay, now come to the second question, this one. Second question, when you entered your class, what did you like? So whenever you entered your class for the first time, what did you like? What did you like? You like your class, you like the study, you like the environment, whatever you have liked, you just write that. Okay, so this also, the answer also will be according to your own thought. Okay, so you will write that. Come to the playing things. Okay, new friends you like. Okay, so as you can see, the answers will be according to you, so you will write that. Okay, now come to question number 3. This is, who was the first friend you made? Who was the first friend you made? This is also you will be writing according to you, the first friend you made. Okay. So the name of your first friend, when you come to school for the first time, you will write his or her name. Okay, so the answers will be according to you. Write his or her name. Okay, Bithika, you have made Akriti and Oritri your friend. Good. So as you can see, Oritro, post of Oritro you made. Okay, now my sister. What is my sister, dear? Okay, so the name of your first friend you will write. Now come to page number 3. Here also you can see 2 questions. Let's discuss this. Question number 3. What did you enjoy doing the most? What did you enjoy doing the most? You can write according to your own, like playing or dancing or singing or reading or what can I say, painting, whatever you like, you can write that. Okay, so what did you enjoy doing the most? In your school also, what did you enjoy doing the most? You can write that. Okay, okay, playing, good. Playing, okay, fine. So whatever you felt that you like to do the most, you will write. Okay, now come to this number 4th question. Do you have a pet at home who waits for you to come back from school? Do you, any of you, have a pet who wait for you to come back from school? Okay, Shuraya, you like reading? Okay, Okay, you have a parrot. Good. So whoever is having a pet, just write his or her name. Okay. Whoever doesn't have any pet, she or he can just write no. Okay. So these 4 questions means from the let's talk part. These are the question answers. You can write it according to your own thought. Okay. So I have not written this. I have just discussed this. Okay. So now come to page number 5. Page number 5. Here you can see some pictures. Let's see what it is saying. Circle what you can carry in your school bag. Now write the names of your things in the box below. So it is saying to circle, you can see the bag and some of the picture of some things. Here you are told to circle the things you carry to school in your bag and write over here. Okay. So the first thing, ruler. Ruler, here you can see ruler. Do you carry ruler in your bag? Yes or no? Do you carry? Yes. So circle the ruler and write that in this blanks. Okay. Then sharpener. Do you carry sharpener? Yes. So we carry sharpener. So circle that and write. Then pen. Do you carry pen? Yes. So we carry pen also. So circle the pen. Then eraser. Do you carry eraser? Yes. So circle the eraser and write this in the black. Then water bottle. Do you carry water bottle? Yes. Obviously we all carry water bottle to school. So circle that. Then spectacles. Spectacles is the thing that we wear, not carry, right? So spectacles we wear, we do not carry to school. In our bag we wear to school, but we do not carry it. Yes. Tiffin. Do you tiffin? Tiffin, yes, we all carry tiffin, so it will be circled and write that also. Yes, very good. Now pencil. Pencil is the obvious thing that we need to carry, so circle the pencil. Then pebbles. Pebbles. Do we carry pebbles? Pebbles? No, we do not carry. Yes, no, we do not carry pebbles to school. Then toy. Toy also we do not carry. We should not also, right? Then books. Yes, books are the obvious things that we need to carry to school because we come here to study. So books we should carry. Yes. So circle the books. Then ice cream cone. Ice cream cone is the thing that we don't carry to school. Okay. So write the things we carry to school here. I am repeating: ruler, sharpener, pen, eraser, water bottle, tiffin, pencil and books. These are the things we carry to school, right? In our school bag. Right, all of you? Now turn to page number 6. In page number 6, you can see some of 6 pictures over here, and here it is saying, what are the children doing? Choose the correct word from the ribbon and fill in the blanks. Here you can see some of the words in the yellow colored ribbon, and we need to choose the correct word and fill in the blanks. Okay? So the first one, dash breakfast. So what we, yes, eating breakfast. Shuraya, very good. Eating breakfast. Dash a bicycle. Then dash a bicycle. Can you tell me? Riding. Very good. Riding a bicycle. Very good. Then the next question. Dash to school. Yes, riding a bicycle. Good. Then dash to school. Yes, very good. Going to school. Very good. Going to school. Then the next picture. This one. Dash with friends. Yes, going to school. Very good. Dash with friends. Shanaya, have you found the word? Yes, cheering or laughing will be, we can write it Yes, eating also will not be that wrong. We can write that eating also, sharing also, and laughing also. Okay. So these three will be not that wrong. Okay. You can write. Then yes, sharing also will be right one. Correct answer. Okay. Okay. So now next is dash in class. Dash in class. Yes, Shuraya, laughing also will be correct one. Eating, sharing also will be correct one. So dash in class, this will be studying. This will be only studying in class. Studying in, yes, studying in class. Very good. Then the last one, dash from school. Yes, studying in class is right one. Dash from school. Yes, returning from school. Very good. Yes, returning from school. This is the correct one. So, this page is also completed, page number 6. Yeah, returning from school. Very good. Now, in page number 7, you can find that this page, here you need to see dotted letters and you need to draw, you need to just join the dot and write it beautifully. Okay. So, I hope this page you can complete at your home. Okay. So with this note, I have completed the chapter and the exercises are also completed. Okay. So all of you practice this exercise and this chapter very well at your home. This chapter is completed today and from the next day I will start a new chapter from your grammar or marigold. Okay. Yes. So now all of you give your present. No one will leave. No one will leave or you will be absent. Shania. Okay, students. Okay, I have taken all of your present and let's see. Okay, Kaustubh, eating, riding, going, sharing, studying, returning. Okay, fine. Okay, you have completed Kaustubh, everything very good. Eating. Shubhecha, your picture is not clear. Okay, students. Okay, so read this chapter very well at your home. Okay, so today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye. Bye all of you. Bye.